Hello students. So today we are just continuing our previous chapter number 4, that is playing with numbers. And today we are starting a topic, prime factorizations. So before starting your prime factorization, I would like to tell you that in page number 68 of your book, there are some divisibility rules given to you. Just go through them. So our first topic is prime factorization. What is a prime factorization? If a number is expressed as the product of prime numbers. Prime numbers, I have told you that prime numbers I have only two factors. One is 1 and another one is the number itself. Okay. So if a number is expressed as the product of prime numbers, then the factorization of the number is called prime factorization. Now, and I will take a number like 12 and I told you to do its factors. So you can do it 6 2s are 12, 1 into 12 and 2 6 are 12. So here you can write 12 as 6 into 2, but you can see 2 is a prime number but 6 is not a prime number. So if we have to do prime factorization of 12, so I am going to do 2 into 3 into 2. Now 2 3s are 6 and 6 2s are 12, and you can see in this I have used only prime numbers. So when you do a factorization of a number and all numbers you use are prime numbers, then it is called a prime factorization. Okay, one more example we can take. So let us take a number 100. Okay, suppose I have taken a number 100 and I told you to do its factorization. So its factorization can be 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. As you can see, I have done the factorization of 100 and all the numbers I have used are prime numbers. So this factorization is known as your prime factorization. Next is your factor tree. Now how you are going to make a factor tree? First of all, I take a number like 90. I can write 90 as 10 9s are 90. Now I can break this 10 as 2 5s are, and this 9 can be breaked as 3 3s are 9. Okay, I have taken a number 90 over here. I can write 10 9s are 90. So I have break 90 as 10 and 9. Then 10 can be breaks as 2 and 5 as 2 5s are 10, and 9 can be breaked as 3 3s are 9. Now you can see these all are prime number, 2 5 3, these all are prime number. So this is called your factor tree. When you do the factorization of 90, or we can say prime factorization of 90. So the prime factorization of 90 becomes 2 into 5 into 3 into 3. This is your factor tree. Okay. Now see, it is not necessary to break this 90 as 10 and 9. Suppose I have break this 90 as 45 2s. Okay. So 45 into 2 will also be 90. So this is a prime number. I cannot break it more. I can just write 2 in 2 1s are 2. So I will go this 45. So this will be 15. 3s are 45. Now this 15 can be breaked as 5 3s are. Okay. Now you are having this prime number, this and this one. So here also your factorization of prime factorization of 90 is coming as 5 into 3 into 3 into 2, and here there are also 2 into 5 into 3 into 3, and here it is also 5 into 3 into 3 into 2. Okay, the numbers can be written over here. If you write, I told you that in multiplication a into b is equals to b into a. So it doesn't make any difference while you're writing 2 here and you have written 2 over here. Okay, but when you multiply these number and when you multiply these, you are getting 90 only. So you can break this 90 like this also, and you can do it like this also. Both the methods are correct. So your first question is, write the smallest and the greatest 3-digit numbers and express them as the product of prime. So first we will go with the smallest. So what is the smallest 3-digit number? The smallest 3-digit number is 100. Okay. So I will write here 100. This is the smallest 3-digit number. Okay, so you have to do prime factorization. So you will make a box like this and you will write 100 over here. As from your divisibility rule, we know that if the last digit is 0, so the number goes in a table of 2, 5 and 10. So we will start with 2. So I have done 2 5s are 10 and this 0 has been copied as like this. Okay. Then it is 50. Again it goes in a table of 2. 2 25s are 50. Now this is 25. It will go in a table of 5. 5 5s are 25 and last is your 5 ones are 5. You have to follow this until you get 1 over here. So your prime factorization of 100 becomes 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Clear? So we have done with the smallest 3-digit number. So now we are going to do with greatest 3-digit number. Greatest 3-digit number. So what is your greatest 3-digit number? It is 999. Okay. So now we will going to do prime factorization of this. Again you have to make a box like this. You have to write 999. So you can see these are 9. They can go in table of 3. So here 3 3s are 9. Then 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Okay. And now it will go again in a table of 3. It's 1, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3 and 3 1s are 3. Now you are having 111. Again it go in a table of 3. It's 3, 3s are 9, carry goes 2, it become 21 and 3 7s are 21. Now 37 is a prime number, it goes in its table only. So 37 ones are 37. So we have done the prime factorization. So the prime factorization of 999 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 37. Clear? So go with your divisibility rules and thank you. Have a nice day.